Okay, this is Kai Cushenberry, Red Rock Certified Property Inspection out of Manitou Springs, Colorado. Down here in West Pueblo, Colorado, and at 11:45, and wanted to scope this lateral line out. This house is located outside of the city limits. A lot of acreage here with these properties. These all go to a septic tank. Down here in the laundry room, we've got a lateral clean out, and I should be able to get from the position down here in the laundry room. We should be able to scope and get into the lateral line. Looks like this is at the back of the house on the east side of the house, and it looks like the septic tank is located about 25 feet out or so. I guess we're about to find out. I'm going to go ahead and clear our register. Whoops. I'm going to clear that register as I've just now entered into the lateral line. So you can see we're in a PVC, and it should just be a straight shot out to that septic tank. We shouldn't see a whole lot of curving going on. Good connector there. Don't see any roots in the line. There doesn't appear to be any trees in this area. We're about 25 feet. It looks like that is it right there. The line was very clear. We do not want to drop inside of this septic tank, so I'm going to stop right here. I do see a high amount of water and sediment in this line. I believe that I've been told that the septic tanks do have to be pumped out, and so anyway, our main concern was the line up into from this foundation of this house up to the septic. It looks like it's very clear, so there's not going to be anything that I'm going to suggest at this property. I'm going to go ahead and sanitize our line as we bring it out. Obviously, we've been inside of a sewer. We want to make sure that that our line is sanitized as we bring it out of there. You can see a little water in the line. It is flowing well, flowing towards the septic system. That's a good sign. Just minor sediment in the line. Like I said, we are still sanitizing this line as we bring it out. I'm going to clean our camera head off here. All right. got that pretty cleaned off. And we are back here in the laundry facility down in the basement. So it looks like everything is good in that line, at least from here to the septic system. I am going to suggest to them that the septic tank be pumped out. It did appear to be a high amount of water in that line. So thank you very much.